remember once hearing about a bloke who knew B7. Now we knew E and we knew A. Those were quite easy, but we didn't know B7. We didn't know B7. That was kind of the missing part of the link, the other chord, the lost chord.
If I put this here, I'll look smart. Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Guitar Man Shoe 17 and a half, and today we're gonna learn how to play the B7 chord. If you know how to play the B7 chord, pretty much every other chord, and then you can just be John Lennon. So the first step, you need to check out my Patreon page. I need medicine, you know, like green medicine, you know. So if you want to hit me up on the Patreon, subscribe to my channel, you know, because you never know when you need to learn guitar, really advanced guitar techniques. Shout out my friend Skinny D. He gave me his guitar, my guitar. I shredded too hard, and the neck fell off. So anyway, you take your finger and you put it take your fingers, you put it on the 2nd fret, and then you put the other fingers like that, and then that's pretty much how you play the B7. I think it pairs well with the A minor chord and a nice Cabernet. If you liked my video, don't forget to rate and subscribe. That was actually an F♯7 chord that I took. You know, just come back tomorrow, and I'm going to teach you another really advanced chord, the C7 chord. Oh, no spoilers, no spoilers. Just kidding. You'll learn it tomorrow. So anyway, this is Guitar Man. I'm Steve. So if you like this video, don't forget to check out my other videos. I have one video on how to play the C chord. I'm still working on the F#. I'll see you later.
So on we got on the bus. Trooped across Liverpool, changed a couple of buses, found this fella, and he showed us dum 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 B7. We learned it off him, got back on the bus, went home to our mates, and went zing, got it.